Artoonza.
Hey there, ice cream lovers and future artists. Ready to turn your world upside down? Today, we're transforming the simple letter V into the most delicious ice cream cone you've ever seen. Grab your crayons, glitter, and maybe even a real ice cream cone to munch on while we draw. Give us your like, because why not? Get ready to create the coolest, yummiest art ever that will make everyone say, yum! Let's dive into the frosty fun and let the creativity flow. Give us a big thumbs up. Ready to splash some color? Pink? Let's color together. Yellow. Orange. Green. Brown. Snowy white.
Wow!
Color, color, color. Mix it up, mix it up. Color, color, color. Give us a big thumbs up. Yummy, yummy ice cream, yummy, yummy ice cream cone. This is so amazing. Color, color, color. Smash that like button now.
Aw, so cute.
A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.